Good morning, this is Armila, franchise consultant of Unified Products and Services. Now let's learn how to resubmit fund requests. You need to do this if CSR informed you that your fund request has failed. We need to use the same file. However, we need to put an X prior to the reference number later on if it's the second time that you have to submit the fund request. If it's the third time, XX and the reference number, and so on and so forth. By the way, this is from Video My Transactions file. Alright, let's start. Log in. And then click the icon on the uppermost left. Select Fund Transfer. Fund Transfer. Okay. Choose the file. Upload successfully. Step 2. Your mobile number. Fund type eCash. Deposit type bank deposit. Institution BDO, because we sent the money to the company's BDO account. Please be informed that the company has 2 other accounts, UCPB and Security Bank. Branch name Cubao General Araneta. Currency peso. Amount is 8,025. Reference number. Okay, before PC we have to type X. Date and time, you have transfer the money, transaction password, then click submit. Then just wait for a notification from CSR. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page, Unified Hambay. Bye!